Today we are using the Vortex 2 probe truck to intercept tornadoes, and hope you'll like it. Smash that like button and subscribe. This actually took me a very long time to edit, thanks. As well, if I get lofted, I have to end the video. And today's cape is very high. I think it's the highest cape I've ever seen. As you can see, there's already a storm spawning, and I think it's actually getting quite good. I think actually this will be a good intercept, but probably I'll get lofted straight away. So, and maybe it's going to be a pink TDS, so I don't know. And I don't know why people go into the storm box. Like, I don't get it. It's just a bit stupid. I don't get why so many people go into a storm box. The yellow boxes mean that there's a storm being there. Most tornadoes go at the hook. They never spawn inside the storm, so yeah, so I don't know what these people are doing, but they're a bit dumb. As you can see, the hook will definitely go down into southeast or east-south, if you say it like that. Should be weird, but and then it probably will shift up into Cherokee Village. As you can see now, the storm box has disappeared, and people will be a bit sad. And now it reappeared because it shifted, so I don't get why people, and I think there's probably going to be a tornado spawning where I just hovered my mouse, and the tornado will probably, like, as you can see, the green dots in the red storm will mean that there's probably going to be a tornado spawning there, and it actually did, so yeah. Get good, people, get good.
This dangerous storm was located near 𝚙𝚘𝚛𝚝𝚎, moving south at 60 miles per hour.
Oh, already some rotation there, but the funnel hasn't spawned yet, so some rotation cards, so I think this will actually be quite a good intercept, not gonna lie. I might go on the highway, not sure, but probs. I think the tornado will spawn around like where the 15 is. Not gonna lie. Oh, there's already a funnel rotation. That would be a good screenshot, not gonna lie. I'll probably intercept it, but I don't know if I'll get lofted. I should have done this in the denominator too, so I actually don't get lofted. By the way, look guys, this took me a really long time, so please like the video and sub. Really took me a long time to make this video, and it took me quite lots of days to actually get the right good tornado, so please smash that like button, just please, and comment what you think on this video. Oh, I have to cross the road properly because I think it's gonna go up on the normal main road, not on the highway. I don't think I'll get a good intercept here, so I might move. So. Yeah, it's probably gonna dodge me now. Tornadoes actually hate me, not gonna lie. Oh, it's already fully touched down, so... why does it just disappear? I don't get it. Please put in the comments why this disappears. And as well, it doesn't tell me how it's the winch pro. It's probably gonna go on the main road. Not gonna lie. Oh, it's yellow TBS now. Getting 13 on the mezzanine. 16, 17, 18. $20, $21, $22, $20 and $30. Quickly, place pros. Oh, I need to quickly get in. Quick, before I get lofted. Oh, 85, 86. Quick, no. Error. I might get lofted here. This is where I want to end the video. Oh, there's a Tuesday. Oh, the wind speed, bro. The wind speed. Quick, why am I stopping here? Oh, come on. Did you see that jump? Oh, I'm sliding. We get lofted in a couple seconds. Oh. This is Jacob Airlines. Oh. I'm sideways. Oh, I'm moving. Oh, there's the one. Oh, we're dead. Handbrake. Oh, my feet are stupid. I shouldn't play this time. Oh, why is it so hot? Oh, I'm lofted. So, yeah. Oh no, I'm getting lofted now. Again. Oh no. Driving back. Why am I going this way? I'm lofted. I'm Jacob Airlines. And we will see it again soon. Oh my god. What the hell? That must be so scary, bro. No, just really dead straight now. Oh, why am I going up really much, bro? Oh my god. Oh, smacked him, bro. Oh, wait, the tree saved me. Oh my god. Anyway. Back into tornado again. Why did I not deploy that fucking thing? I was like going 300 miles per hour. Anyway guys, this is the video, end of the video. Thanks for watching. Once again, smash that like button and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.